Are you seeing errors created by the Stobject Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. Before we begin our Stobject Library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Stobject Library, the Shell Tray Objects Library. It manages the localized UI rendering and localized event handling for localized system tray icons, specifically the localized power and battery status, and the localized volume slider logic in older Windows builds. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. When a core file like Stobject Library DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Stobject library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Manual intervention with Stobject Library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older, vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for Stobject library references. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Stobject library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.